Okay, this is a review on how to install a TV, a flat panel on the wall. You're going to need obviously the mount, which you could purchase off eBay, Amazon. I got my mount off Amazon for about $9. It's just a standard fixed mount. And this is what it pretty much looks like. I put the two little arms on already. Okay. The first thing you want to make sure is that when you do put these screws in, you put them in by hand, with a standard Phillips head. You don't want to use a drill because the last thing you want to do is strip the inside of the thread of the TV, and then you're done for. So for this installation, you're going to need definitely the Phillips head. You're going to need a drill. You're going to need a stud finder. I use a magnetic stud finder. It works the best. You can purchase this at Lowe's. It's the only place that I found that you could buy it. You're going to need a level. You're going to need lags or strap toggles. I use the toggle 316 toggles that I use, and a tape measure. So the first thing you want to do is come to the wall. You want to obviously measure center. So I'm at 40, so half of that is 20. And then you want to find your studs. Again, I'm going to pick up my magnet stud finder here, and I'm going to find the nail that's obviously holding the drywall in. That's why it's sticking to the wall right now, because it's a magnetic stud finder. They work amazing. So there you go again. Now these studs are 24 center, so I have to use strap the toggle bolts on this side to support the weight evenly. So I got it pretty much all laid out already. So what I'm going to do is I got it marked out already. So I'm going to make my hole for my strap toggle. This is what it pretty much looks like here. You can get this at Lowe's or Home Depot. Okay. You want to just slide that in there like that. It zips forward, and you snap off the end here. Okay. Then I'm going to place this, and I'm going to put it in with the 7/16 toggle bolt. Okay. Just down here. Okay. I'm going to put my Phillips head on. The strap toggle. Get your level. Make sure your plumb here are evenly over here. Okay. Okay, now we're just going to install a TV. I recommend you actually use two people doing this. It's just me here doing it, so I'm just gonna hang it up on there. There you have it. Okay. Now, obviously, you're gonna want to put your power in. So, just get something that you can put behind the TV, so you can get a little tilt on it, so you can work behind the TV. I'm just gonna use something that's maybe 3 or 4 inches wide, something like that, just to hold. And then I'll be able to just get my power cord connected. And which is right here. Okay. And any video wires that you have, you'll be able to get your hands behind. And that's it. Part 2 will be how to put a power bridge in and conceal the wires.